choosing the right equipment for your job is important. Having the best customer service, support, and repair facility is essential. That's what the team at the Panasonic Customer Configuration Center provides to your workforce. Our solutions specialist can customize any Panasonic TOUGHBOOK to support your industry requirements, combining hardware, software, service, and support for those who work in the harshest environments. Fully configured TOUGHBOOKs can be outfitted with job-specific components, asset-tagged and customized with corporate or department identity, making your device field-ready the moment it arrives. Need accessories and custom kitting? Not a problem. The Panasonic Customer Configuration Center can assist you with all of your deployment and installation needs. And should your TOUGHBOOK experience any minor setbacks on the job, our US-based operations center stands ready to repair, rebuild, and rapidly return your device, limiting downtime and maximizing productivity. As industry leaders in rugged devices, Panasonic keeps your workforce well-equipped and connected, while our Customer Configuration Center helps keep them productive anywhere, anytime. Panasonic. Configure, deploy, depend.